that is context-aware and capable of identifying animals, vehicles, people, architectural structure for the purpose of piloting the plane while interaction with the player through the voice uplink. Add the Intelligent AI Pilot, IAIP, activation/deactivation control in the voice uplink/offline control. Activating the voice uplink connection alone does not enable the IAIP to take over the controls, but it put a stick in the AI pilot's hands. The AI pilot takes over and flies the plane when the user activates the IAIP mode while the microphone uplink connection is enabled. If the microphone uplink disconnects because of errors, the control system should switch back to the user automatically. Ran for 237 thought for 23 seconds.
Affirmative.
To implement the Intelligent AI Pilot, IAIP, mode,
Understood.
I will update the application
Proceeding.
to allow the AI to take full control of the aircraft's physics, autonomous navigation, and targeting systems, while communicating its actions via the Gemini Live interface. Introduce a global state is IAIP active to track if the AI pilot is currently flying the plane. Pass this state and its setup to voice comms, to toggle it, and 3 scene, to
Inactive.
execute flight
I
logic.
am currently observing.
Components/voicecomms.tsx, update the system instruction sent to Gemini Live. The persona, Ghost, will now be aware that they can take the stick and should narrate their visual scanning, animals, structures, targets, when IAIP is active. Add a visual, IAIP toggle, switch in the UI. It is only clickable when the voice uplink is established. Implement safety logic. If the voice connection drops or errors, is IAIP active automatically reverts to false, returning control to the player. Receive is AIP active prop. Implement context-aware targeting logic inside the animation loop. The AI scans for points of interest, whales, skydivers, the kite, ships. It calculates a prioritized vector to the nearest interesting
If connection
object.
errors occur,
Implement autonomous
IAIP
flight
will
physics.
maintain
Override manual
control,
keyboard
but
inputs
will
when
recommend a
IAIP is
manual
active.
override by the
Use
pilot.
P-controller logic,
Confirming
proportional control,
IAIP
to smoothly bank,
activation.
roll, and pitch the
Target
plane
logic
towards the target
enabled.
vector.
Scanning
Add
for
terrain
points of
avoidance. If
interest.
the plane gets too close
Tracking
to the water,
multiple
the AI
vessels
pilot
on the
overrides
surface.
targeting to pull up
Kite
aggressively.
flyer at 10 o'clock.
Fix the following errors.
Potential
Announcer
whale
generation
bearing
failed.
165.
Error, code 500, message, internal error encountered. Status, internal. Ran for 298 thought for 30 seconds to address the errors and implement the Intelligent AI Pilot, IAIP, mode. I will make changes to app.tsx, components/voicecomms.tsx, components/3scene.tsx, and services/geminiservice.ts. Plan fix announcer error, services/Gemini service. TS the 500 internal error occurs because the TTS model, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS, is being asked to perform creative text generation and speech synthesis in one step with a complex system prompt. Fix, split into 2 steps. First, use Gemini 2.5 Flash to generate the announcer script. Second, use Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS to convert that specific script into audio. Implement IAIP state, app.tsx add is IAIP active state. Pass this state to voice comms, to control the toggle, and 3 scene, to enable the autopilot physics. Update voice uplink, components/voicecomms.tsx add a visual toggle switch for IAIP mode. Update the system instruction for Gemini Live to include the Ghost pilot persona who is aware of IAIP mode. Ensure that if the connection drops, is IAIP active is reset to false. Implement autopilot logic, components/3scene.tsx in the animation loop. If is IAIP active is true, scan, identify targets, whales, skydivers, kite, boats. Decide, pick the closest/highest priority target. Fly, override manual inputs. Use proportional control to roll and pitch the plane towards the target vector. Safety, implement terrain avoidance, pull up if altitude less than 30 feet. What happened to the surfers, kayakers, sailboats, windsurfers, paragliders, yachts, windsurfers, whale watchers and whales? Ran for 129 thought for 19 seconds. It seems I defined the blueprints, helper functions, for some of these entities in the previous update but forgot to actually build and place them into the world loop. They were effectively left in the files, but never deployed to the potion. I will now update 3scene.tsx to add the missing blueprints, create helper functions for kayakers, sailboats, yachts, and paragliders. Populate the world, instantiate these entities in the setup use effect hook, distributing them across the ocean and sky. Animate them, ensure they move, bob on the waves, or fly in the animation loop so they are alive and interactive.